Dear students, in the previous lecture we studied the erosional process or erosional mechanism of the river. In this lecture we are going to study the transport process or transport mechanism of the river or fluvial transport processes. So, if we see, there are four kind of transport processes by which the river load is get transported from one place to another place. So, if we see the first we can see is a traction. So, when the river load is heavy which is on the river bed, it will get transported through the traction, means by rolling or by different with contact in the river, with contacting the river bed, it will transport to the further away from this place. So, this is called as the traction. This is heavy river load, this is called as bed load. But if the river load is small particles, so they will get transported with the saltation, means like in a jumping away from one place to another place. They will suspend, they will get in suspension for some time, then again they will rest on the river bed. So, this kind of transportation will be called as the saltation. So, small particles, small pebbles, cobbles will be transported like saltation, in saltation way. So, this load is called as the bed load. If the particles are more smaller or the fine particles, they will be transported by the suspension. Suspension means with the flow of water they will get transported. So, this load is called as the suspended load. These are also small particles. But if there is a chemical erosion is there, some particles of the rocks, they will get dissolved in the water. So, they will be transported by the solution. So, this load is called as the dissolved load, which is get transported by the solution method or solution mechanism. So, this is the dissolved load, which is by the we can say corrosion or solution. Because of corrosion and solution, this suspended, this load is gets dissolved in the water, and now it is get transported by the solution method, solution process. So, these are the four processes of erosion, fluvial transportation, or you can say river transport mechanisms or river transport processes. So, three kind of load is there: the bed load, which is on the river bed, and the suspended load, which is transferred by the suspension, and the dissolved load, which is with the help of solution, which is get transported from one place to another place. So, in this way the river transport the river load. In these four way, the river transport the river load, and it will deposit somewhere where we will find the depositional landforms, or by the erosional process it will develop some erosional landforms. So, while we are studying the fluvial landforms, first we have to explain the erosional processes, erosional mechanism, and the next is the transport processes or the transport mechanisms. Then you will explain the fluvial landforms in two categories, the depositional landform and the erosional landforms. I hope you understand these four transport mechanisms. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.